a time for stress awareness and a season to embrace the great outdoors. We have curated a selection of top 20 drone stories from this month, ensuring you'll carry the essence of April with you. Greetings, I am Sasha, your guide to the latest updates from Drone Helpline. 3 drones got DGCA type certification this month. Surya Shakti 15L drone by Airbots Aerospace, LMK 2300 agriculture drone by EGG Aeros Private Limited, LEAP A10 drone by NEXTLEAP Aeronautics Private Limited. Garuda Aerospace secured an order from ISRO for the supplying of quadcopter drones equipped with machine learning and artificial intelligence. Telangana Police to utilize high-tech drones for surveillance in anti-mouse operation in the state, especially along the river catchment areas and areas inaccessible for security forces during Lok Sabha polls. FICCI, in partnership with the Department of Defence Production under Ministry of Defence, took a delegation of Indian defence industry to Mozambique from April 25th to 26th, 2024. The Indian Air Force adopted AI-enabled drones for aircraft engine inspections, aiming to replace manual inspection methods. Adani Defence and Aerospace and Elbit Systems Israel signed transfer of technology agreement to ensure 60 to 70% indigenous content in Drishti 10 Starliner Hermes 900 male UAV. Bharat Electronics Limited unveiled Zero-Emission Unmanned Surface Vehicle with payload capacity of 30 kgs for hydrographic surveying and coastal surveillance. Fuselage Innovations onboarded under IIT Palakkad Technology IIHA Foundation Impact Startup Program. PDRL unveiled a certification initiative tailored for the innovation AeroMeg platform, marking a significant advancement in the drone industry. IG Drones partnered with the Aerospace and Aviation Sector Skill Council to develop skills in drone piloting operations, maintenance and data analysis across the nation with support from National Skill Development Corporation. GITAM deemed University and the Indian Navy alongside the Navy Welfare and Wellness Association signed Memorandum of Understanding to foster educational opportunities and drive innovation in drone technology. Squadron Infra and Mining's in-house research and development unit received recognition from the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. Indian Council of Medical Research completed a successful trial run of 37 kilometers for transporting one's pathological samples using drones within 15 to 20 minutes, significantly reducing the usual time of 50 to 60 minutes. Drone Destination announced its Everything Drones campaign, in which it plans to establish India's largest network of drone hubs, which will offer services like drone sales, repair and maintenance, drone services and drone training, drone Siksha, drone Kaushal, drone soccer, etc. Hadron Aviation, in collaboration with Udan Federal Aviation, introduced accessible drone rental services for businesses and individuals with flexible billing options. Drone Acharya Aerial Innovations Limited announced the launch of its 4th DGCA authorized drone pilot training center located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. IG Drones has secured a vital contract for the drone inspection of pipelines at NTPC Darlipalli Thermal Power Station in Odisha. Tata Advanced Systems Limited and Satellogic Inc. announced the successful deployment into space of TSAT-1A satellite aboard the Bandwagon-1 mission, launched from Kennedy Space Center, Florida, USA. Indian students from Team Maverick India Pimpri Chichwar College of Engineering won the 2024 SAE International Aero Design Challenge among top 75 prestigious universities in California. Vector Technics announced the global launch of its revolutionary product, the E-Vector counter-rotating motors, at the STEAM Exponential Expo in San Diego. That's it for today. We will meet with more news in the next month. Stay tuned, like, follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more news updates.